Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Naima Akhter Tesha, Assistant Teacher Science, Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take class 9 chemistry class based on creative question. Let's start our class. Dear students, it's our lecture number 4 and today our topic is chapter 1 creative question 2. Let's see the question. Here 3 signs are given. Sign 1, sign 2 and sign 3. Now our first question, what is chemistry? What is chemistry? The branch of science that discusses the structure of matter, its nature and changes is called chemistry. Question number B, why do we take antacid for acidity in the stomach? Normally in our stomach, gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid and for this acidity occur, and for reducing or to neutralize this acidic condition we have to take base, and normally in we take antacid for reducing or for neutralizing this condition, and antacid are normally the suspension of aluminum hydroxide or magnesium hydroxide, or if we take as tablet then also it will be magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide in solid condition normally. So let's see, acidity occurs in the stomach when excess hydrochloric acid, this is the formula of hydrochloric acid is generated inside. Antacid contains generally aluminum hydroxide or magnesium hydroxide. These two compounds react with hydrochloric acid and neutralize the acidic condition of stomach. That means base and acid react and produce salt and water. We know that then neutralize the stomach condition. Aluminum hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid, aluminum chloride plus water, magnesium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid and produce magnesium chloride plus water. Now question number C, how are the substances containing sign 3 harmful for human beings? Explain. Sign 3, look here, sign 3 is what? What this sign indicate? It indicate radioactive substance, and radioactive substance are we use them if we use them in control way, we can use them in our medical science and for other purpose, but this is very dangerous if this radiation if it is not in control way, this radiation is not in control way or we can't control it, then many damage can occur. Let's see, the substance containing sign 3 is radioactive substance. These substances emit harmful rays. Uranium, radium etc. are of this kind. That means uranium, radium are the radioactive substance, and from these different kind of rays, alpha, beta, gamma, especially gamma ray can emit from there. These rays may causes diseases like cancer or disable somebody. Also in cancer treatment this radioactive substance is used, but it is one of the main cause of cancer and it also can disable somebody. This can causes mutation and chromosomal aberration among the plants and animals. Mutation means any change in DNA. Any stable change in chromosome or DNA is known as mutation. This mutation can be good or bad, but in maximum case it is bad. Chromosomal aberration, that means problem in chromosome. Due to this ray or radioactive substance, chromosomal aberration or chromosomal problem can occur, especially in pregnancy period. If any woman is affected by this ray, then the unborn baby chromosome can be changed due to this ray, and he or she become physically challenged due to this ray. Among the plants and animals, this can causes cardiovascular disease, hair loss, etc. So these are harmful for human beings and all living organisms. We need to be extremely cautious in handling this. And we know about the nuclear explosion in several countries. Radioactive substances are used in producing electricity, but if the control over it break down, then great explosion can occur. So we have to handle this very carefully. Now number D, chemical substances containing sign 1 and sign 2 are risky when in use. Explain. Sign 1 and sign B. What is sign 1? Sign 1 indicates flammable substance and sign 2 is toxic substance. Let's see. The substances containing sign 1 and sign 2 are, sign 1 is flammable substance and sign 2 is toxic substance. The risks of using these substances are given below. First one, flammable substance, alcohol, ether, etc. are flammable. These can catch fire quickly. Therefore, we need to keep them away from fire or heat. If you read the newspaper, you may know that about the incident of hand sanitizer that also contains alcohol, and several fire incidents occur due to this hand sanitizer. So it is very flammable and we have to be very careful when handling this flammable substance. We have to keep them away from heat and fire. Now the substances with the sign of toxic substance are poisonous. That means sign 2 is toxic substance and it is poisonous. If we come in touch with them or inhale them, they may cause harm to our body. Benzene, chlorobenzene, methanol, etc. are such substances. We must wear apron, hand gloves and safety goggles when handling them. This toxic substance can causes our skin damage and also can causes our lung damage, lung problem. That's why we have to be very careful when handling them. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.